It's Lil Wayne on the track. Oh my God! Look at my car. I'm sitting in front of a 2000 Buick. It's so ugly. It got mustaches on it. It got cracks. It got holes everywhere. Especially rusty stains on the wheels. You already know Lil Wayne on the track, baby. Yeah, baby. Shout out to Birdman. Put some respect on our names. Yeah. It's the mafia, baby. Ooh, yeah. You ain't got nothing over me. Look at my cousin. He whipping down the street. Yeah. Hey, but hey. It's the entertainment, bruh. But you gotta slow down, man. Yeah. Yeah.